Hey everyone, we're back and we are going to continue with our build. We're probably only going to stay up a little bit today too because I have work in the morning.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die, yeah.
So right now we're just finally researching how to install this.
So yeah, this is gonna sit like this.
Well, our I/O ports have to be here.
No, I'm just gonna sit like that.
Yeah. So we have to have the cable here
So it's the other
or
way.
here. Huh? It's gonna be
It has to roll like this.
Yeah. because it's not gonna be able to fit here. And this is like heatsink, huh?
Yeah. Take it off for me then. Yeah, I think right now we're just gonna set up the motherboard.
Should we mount it? We have to put the standoffs. Oh, looks like there's already standoffs.
I think the case comes with standoffs.
Yeah, there's already standoffs here. Oh, where's the screwdriver? There's the hard drive thing here has like a box.
Oh yeah, I took it off.
So right now we are unscrewing the hard drive slots because we are not going to use manual hard drives. We're going to use our SSD and we can mount those up here. I think that's what those are for, right? Do we want to put the I/O shield first? Right, so we just screwed down our motherboard into the chassis, so that's done. Nick right now is screwing on the fans onto the radiator so that way we can install it at the top right here. Sorry, that's a little upside down. But basically we're trying to install it right there. So Nick is basically installing our cooler bracket.
Get them hell over there. I wonder if we should install the I/O shield before.
That's what I was saying, maybe we should at least install that before we put the motherboard in. And then you were just like, oh, put this in. Okay, so we just installed the I/O shield. Now time to install the motherboard for the first time.
First time. Remember, kids, always install your I/O shield before you put on the motherboard.
So he's putting the standoffs for the cooler while I screw down the motherboard. What's the next step?
Putting the radiator onto the case.
So Nick is currently installing the radiator. So everyone, we're going to take these thumb screws and just screw it in. It's kind of hard to see. And I'm gonna go in an X.
I don't know how to connect stuff.
So we need to make sure we connect everything first. Fit in there.
Superficial lip, but these connect. There's 2 fan cables coming out of each fan.
But I only.
You have the 2 power ones already
Oh
connected.
my gosh.
And these are the RGB ones.
This one's 1. This one's 1. So this one's 1. Alright, so we're connecting our cooler to the board. Nick was really confused on how it connects. He didn't realize there's another cable. And there we go. There's that. I think that's it right there.
What?
Right there.
No.
Yeah. That's for this one.
For this one?
This one is down here.
Where?
Down here.
Doesn't look bad. I mean, it looks pretty clean.
Yeah. Okay, what's next, baby?
Next would be...
Hard drive? Wow, we have a terabyte SSD. That's so cool. We can technically mount this without a problem, I bet.
What you doing, baby? Alright.
I am screwing the SSD onto the mount so that way we can easily hide the cable underneath the SSD. I did it the other way initially, but I kind of like the way that I like the idea of hiding the cable underneath it. So that's what I'm doing now. Hopefully it works for the SATA cable as well. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around for day 2 of this 3-part series. My camera did die before the end of the video, so what you did end up missing was us installing the power supply and us double checking that it actually booted without the graphics card. But if you'd like to see all that, stay tuned for day 3 by hitting the subscribe button, or even better, hitting that bell so that way you're notified of my next post. Hopefully I do see you guys soon. Again, thanks for watching and supporting me through my new hobby.